I've drilled the rivet out on this case. This, like I say, is for a Suburban, but the Atwood is very similar. What we're going to do is we're going to take the case off, and you can see that the little paddle fell off. And then I'm going to bring this up to you, or up to the camera, so that you can see the inner workings of this switch. Now you tell me how anybody is going to clean anything on this sail switch if they don't take it apart. The answer is it's impossible, and they're lying to you. If you look over to the right side of the picture, and we'll get this just a little closer, you can see that when I press this little plastic button, which is what the paddle arm will push down on when the furnace blower motor wheel speeds up and blows against that paddle arm, this switch is normally open, which means the circuit is normally open until contact is made. And so you see when I press this little plastic button down, this moves this little switch inside and completes the circuit so that the control board on the furnace gets a good signal and says that it can fire. And this gives people lots of problems every year, and a lot of people get ripped off with somebody that says they clean the sail switch. You cannot clean one of these unless you take it apart, and the average RV tech is not going to take the time to drill the rivet out and then put a machine screw and nut back in. So if you don't get a new switch put in, you're not getting what you're paying for.